Hello children, good morning. Yes, I am Sujata Bhattacharya. Today I will teach the next part of the chapter is plant life. Once I taught you that is respiration, that was respiration. Now this is the next part of it, that is photosynthesis. So today I will teach about the photosynthesis. Now children, you should understand the photosynthesis is made up of two words. First is photon and second is synthesize. Photon means the smallest particle of the sunlight and synthesize means to build up or to make it up. So photosynthesis is the process. See, photosynthesis is the process of using solar light energy or using sunlight or the energy of the sunlight to convert water, CO2 into the glucose and will release oxygen and water vapor. Now children, so photosynthesis is the process by which plant take stomata through the plant take carbon dioxide through the stomata and they take water through the root with the help of absorption and then they should have chlorophyll in their chloroplast and they use solar energy or sunlight energy and will prepare the glucose, that is C6H12O6, and will release oxygen and will release some water vapor. Releasing of water vapor through the plant is known as transpiration, or any green part of the plant is called as transpiration, and this process is known as photosynthesis. So after photosynthesis we will get food for us, that is glucose, oxygen for us for respiration, and water vapor for us, that is through transpiration we will get water which forms the cloud, and cloud will again burst upon us as in the form of rain, then we will get the water. So this is the reaction. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide will combine 12 molecules of water will form 1 molecules of glucose C6H12O6 and will release 6 molecules of oxygen and will release 6 molecules of water in the form of water vapor through the transpiration. Okay. Now, structure of stomata. First I will explain about the chloroplast. Children, everyone you have pencil or pen in your pen box or pencil box. Understood? So, chloroplast is the box, like a box, and chlorophyll is the pigment or it is the green pigment that is called as chloroplast. Chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast. So, this chlorophyll should have here chlorophyll and sunlight. So, chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the chloroplast and it is very necessary for the photosynthesis. Now, structure of stomata, yesterday or day before yesterday I revealed it totally. That structure of stomata have guard cell. These guard cell will help in the opening and closing of the stoma to enter the water or to exit from it. Now, function of the stomata. Function of the stomata will carry on opening and closing of the stoma with the help of the guard cell as for transpiration, as for photosynthesis. This is the function. Now, this is the definition of the photosynthesis, and now you have to think about it. Why plant will release amount of water yet it is absorbing also? Because plant do not have any excretory system. So extra amount of water will be excreted out either by transpiration or by guttation. These two processes are most necessary in the green plant, but guttation you will study in the higher classes. Okay. Now there are some factors which can increase or decrease the rate of photosynthesis. See, first factor is light or sunlight. As I written here, light is directly proportional to photosynthesis. That means light will increase its intensity, rate of photosynthesis also will be increased. But there should be one limit, or there should be the limitation up to some range. After that, plant will close their stomata and light cannot enter or sunlight cannot enter through it, and photosynthesis will be stopped. Next, temperature. Temperature is also directly proportional to photosynthesis. As from morning to noon time and from noon time to evening, temperature does not constant or does not remain in the constant stage. So, in the low temperature there will be the more photosynthesis, or temperature will be increased, so rate of photosynthesis also will be increased. So there should be one optimum temperature or average temperature for the plant, that is 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. After that, stomata gets closed and no sunlight, no heat energy can enter through it, and plants are not receiving any type of heat through stomata, and there will be no photosynthesis. Third point, carbon dioxide also directly proportional to photosynthesis. But children, do you know, as you are getting more food, if you will more food, then there will be indigestion. So, in our atmosphere there is more pollution, but plants are not taking more carbon dioxide in them. They are not preparing more food for all or for us, because there is a limit. Up to certain limit, they take the carbon dioxide, form their food, and they will do the photosynthesis. When rate of carbon dioxide will be increased, then they will close their stomata and there will be no photosynthesis. Now fourth point, chloroplast is also directly proportional to photosynthesis. That means presence of chloroplast is directly proportional to photosynthesis. If photosynthesis occurs, so the plant should be green, or photosynthesis always occur in the green part of the plant. Children, you can understand or you know about it very well that roots are never green, so there will be no photosynthesis in the green. So you can understand that non-green plants cannot do the photosynthesis. Chloroplast, this is the pencil box or this is the box. Inside it, chlorophyll pigment is present, and inside the chlorophyll pigment, main element, please children, thoroughly you maintain in your brain that chloroplast have chlorophyll, and chlorophyll have main mineral, that is magnesium, and due to that magnesium they can prepare the chlorophyll molecule. So please children, you will study in the higher classes. So these factors should be affected to our photosynthesis in our plant. So children, for today this is enough. Thank you.